All right, so welcome to Jazz Piano Daily number 99. This is our Easy Blues Shuffle with Licks. This is part 3. Let's get right into it now. All right, so what you'll notice here is that now we move to the 4 chord again, which is our E flat 7 chord, right? And take a listen to the lick. Okay, all right, so let's break this down. First of all, you'll see that we have this going on, right? You see that little double chromatic going on there, the grace note there, into the triplet. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And here I would use 3 and 5. I did not write out the fingering here for that particular triplet because I think it's pretty obvious. 3 and 5, thumb, 2 and 4. So let's try that. All right, so let's try putting that together nice and slow. So the first part is when we start with this right here, okay? Alexa, cancel. Alexa over here just heard me. Cancel. All right, so that double chromatic there, the grace note, what's going to happen is that you are going to play that before you hit that E flat and B flat down there. So the E flat and B flat comes in when you hit the G. So the pickup, or those grace notes, are actually a pickup. So if I'm tapping my beat, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you see I don't hit there, I hit there on the beat, but this is before the beat. You're going to have to cross under. So I like to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, or 3, 1. So that's that 2 measures. Now, as I've said before, if you want, you can always take these licks and start to move them into other chords or other keys, right? There it is in B flat, or I should say on the B flat chord. Okay, so. If you want to try, playing a little bit more advanced and you want to move it over to B flat, then you can go ahead and do that as well. All right, so I've written out, like I said, all of the other measures are in here. So if I go through and I play everything that we have up to date, this is what we have. So that's what we have to this point. Remember, if it takes you more than a day, that's fine. Take your time trying to go through this. You really want to just go through and really get these licks down well. The best way of practicing this is just try playing the licks, get them under your fingertips. Once you have that under your fingertips, once you have the notes under your fingertips and you feel comfortable with it, you're at like 80%, you can play it most of the time, then you can start messing around and changing around. So when I'm giving you these ideas like, oh, why don't you move it to another chord or try changing it around, make sure that you're not changing this stuff around until after you've actually learned it. Right, so learn it the way that it's presented, then you can start to move this stuff around. All right, let's do this new material one more time. 2 more times. And remember, you can do the right hand by itself. Okay, so you can do the right hand by itself. You don't have to add in the left hand just yet. It comes in. Together right there. And then these these last two are by themselves down here, okay? These are by themselves, right? So you see how this is tying over, and that's tying over. And these are being played by themselves. So you see how, like, I'm still holding this down, but I'm playing that. Nothing else is hitting with those last two, right? All right, so that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next chapter. To get the first 45 pages of music for free, just go back to jazzpianodaily.com. If you liked the video, please be sure to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. To watch the rest of the lessons in this series, just click on the playlist to the right of this arrow. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.